Step into the space with intention. Every move a new dimension. Energy builds when courage speaks. Strength is found when mindset peaks. We are progress in motion. Focused minds, deep devotion. Turning pressure into fuel. Breaking limits, rewriting rules. Elevate the moment, take it higher. Turn ambition into fire. Step by step we redefine what it means to truly shine. Elevate the moment, feel the sound. Confidence rising from the ground. No ceiling left above our view. The next big sprint begins with you. Growth begins outside the zone. In the stretch where seeds are sown. Different rhythms, different pace. Yet we move with steady grace. Through the noise we find direction. Clarity born from connection. Every challenge, every test pulls a stronger version from our best. Move forward. Stand taller. Think bigger. Go forward.